You can stand under my umbrella, ella, ella, under my umbrella, ella, ella, under my umbrella, ella, under my umbrella.
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we do the way I bada. What's it come? You are go, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they die.
Hi guys, hey everyone. I'm in school now. I've been in school for I've been in school since 30 minutes ago. I didn't even know if the English I'm speaking is correct, but 30 minutes now that I've been in school. And our course rep went to get the key to open the lab so we can actually start the class. This class is supposed to end by 11 a.m. But yeah, we're supposed to start by 9 and end by 11, but time has gone. So I don't really know, Sha. And I have another class by 11. Yes, I have another class by... son. I have another class by 11. Yeah. I'm really exhausted, Sha. But we're just waiting for the kids to come so we can start class.
Plenty survive with face just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn. You tell me what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can ride the boat, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can ride the boat. I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy more.
Hi guys. Hey guys, so I'm finally done with classes for today. I had 2 classes today and they were both 2 hours. So altogether I had 4 hours of lecture. I don't know if you can see me, but anyways, I had 4 hours of lecture and I'm going to the market. I wrote my list and I'm going to the market. Always write a list so that you don't spend more than you have budgeted. Do you understand? Write a list.
See my list.
Thank you. Follow me to the market. I might forget to vlog. But follow me to the market. So bye.
Baby, don't mind when you see come give me that. Top up on my body like animal. Hands make me feel like carnival. Lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1 million. People just say, oh God.
are so exhausted. Like,
So you do know.
let's go, Joe. Hi guys, don't mind my face. I just finished taking my bath. Hi guys, so I just took my bath. I just came up from the market, so I took my bath and I'm about to eat. I'll probably not be vlogging that because I want to watch something while I eat. I don't know if it's only me, but I always like to watch something while I eat. I'm not vlogging that. So I just came to brief you guys that I'm finally in my hostel and I want to eat. Yeah.
Beautiful girls in the world with their dance on the floor. I step them when you're not open them.